Scientists have discovered this hidden switch. In this case, it's about cysteine depletion that basically transforms white fat cells into brown fat cells, which then burn calories way more efficiently.
Mm-hmm. Wait, so you're saying this switch really turns our fat into a sort of, well, fat-burning engine, right?
Exactly. It's like a metabolic boost. When cysteine levels drop, the white fat starts behaving like brown fat, making our bodies more efficient at burning calories, even if you aren't strictly cutting calories in the usual
Right.
sense.
That's pretty interesting. And did they actually test it out somehow?
They did indeed. In animal studies, specifically with mice, those that couldn't produce their own cysteine ended up losing about 25 to 30% of their body weight in just 1 week when the amino acid wasn't supplemented.
Yeah. Wow, that's a massive drop in such a short time span. But doesn't that seem a bit extreme?
It is extreme, and here's where it gets tricky. While it shows this powerful calorie burning effect, blocking cysteine also has consequences because the body needs it for other metabolic processes like maintaining redox balance.
Uh-huh. So it's like you could potentially use this discovery for weight management, but it comes with a big caution sign attached, correct?
Exactly. The idea is to find balance. Researchers like Christian Stadler suggest that future weight management strategies might leverage this switch without exclusively relying on calorie restriction.
Right. I mean, what if someone argues that just counting calories isn't enough anyway?
That's precisely the point. This study implies that it's not all about calories. It's about the underlying biochemistry, the role of cysteine in the process. People on a calorie-restricted diet might lose weight in part because they're inadvertently
Mm-hmm.
reducing cysteine.
But if we try to, say, manipulate cysteine levels purposely, doesn't that risk interfering with the body's finely tuned balance?
Absolutely. And that's where some skepticism comes in. The dramatic weight loss in mice was, frankly, dangerous. A life-threatening drop if you think about it. It's like our bodies have so many interdependent systems that one tweak could mess up another system completely.
Right. It kind of makes you wonder if targeting cysteine is a practical long-term solution for weight management in humans, doesn't it?
It does raise questions. While the human trial data correlating lower cysteine levels in fat tissue with weight loss is compelling, it's far too early to suggest we can safely hack our metabolism this way.
Yeah. So, in a nutshell, this discovery opens up promising avenues for understanding weight loss beyond just calorie counting. Yet it also reminds us how complex and interconnected our metabolism really is.
Exactly. It's a fascinating glimpse into our metabolic machinery. It points to potential future treatments, but we have to tread carefully given the possible side effects and the overall delicate balance of our biology.
Mhm. It's like finding a secret lever in a car engine that could boost performance, but if you pull it too hard, you risk wrecking the engine.
Yes, that's a perfect analogy. It's an exciting discovery, yet a reminder of nature's complexity. This research certainly adds a new dimension to how we think about managing weight and metabolic health.
Right. Definitely a topic that makes you rethink the whole calorie count mentality.
Absolutely. The study really underscores that sometimes the solution isn't just cutting calories, but understanding the underlying biological factors like cysteine that drive metabolic
Yeah.
processes.
Thanks for breaking that down. It's an eye-opener on how intricate our bodies are.
Anytime. It's the kind of research that not only answers questions, but opens up a whole new set of intriguing ones.